My name's David Lowe. I'm the General Manager for Daimler Trucks Brisbane, part of the Velocity Truck Centre Group. Part of the development was to improve our efficiencies on what we can deliver to the customers. Our previous site at Rockley was very segregated and made very difficult to manage things throughout the workshop space and also the parts area.
Levanta were engaged here by Daimler Trucks Brisbane, and this is now the third facility that we've done for Daimler Trucks here in Australia. Our first one being Perth, then Melbourne, and now here in Brisbane. Daimler Trucks wanted a complete turnkey workshop fit out, all done by one supplier, hence the reason they reached out to Levanta.
The key outcome on this project here for Daimler Trucks Brisbane was the turnkey offering that Levanta was able to provide. We have a large range of product covering all aspects of workshop equipment.
The fit-out package consisted of a heavy and light vehicle workshop, which included the full oil delivery system, oil tanks plumbed through the work centres in the workshop. We've got two 25-tonne truck hoists, an in-ground BM roller brake tester and shakers, full compressed air system and ring main with 30 horsepower compressors. We've got 10 5.5-tonne 4-post light vehicle hoists in the Sprinter and Fuso workshop. We also did the Dura workshop furniture to the workstations at the front of each bay. These focus on making the technician more effective in their space. The hose reel stations, toolboxes and waste bins all incorporated into the work bay as well. There was a number of challenges on this particular project, one being the oil delivery system. We had a number of gantries that we had to locate through the workshop, but we did have an overhead gantry crane which restricted us to dropping oil delivery services and compressed air pipework from the roof. So we worked very closely with the architect and the builder to design a services trench through the middle of this particular facility, which encapsulated all the oil delivery pipework, the compressed air. They were also able to use that for data and power requirements, getting that to each of the gantries as well.
So Levanta's really support us with the product that they supply. We've had very minimal, if not any, downtime on the product. They've got a reputation that their products are very good at what they do, and we want to partner with good suppliers and good brand, and Levanta is top of the tree for that. And every step of the way, they've just been there.
Being part of this project here for Daimler Trucks Brisbane has been an exciting journey from the initial design stage through to project delivery and completion, and to be able to come along here and see the workshop and the technicians working in the workshop being so happy. It's a really good place to work. You get a good vibe when you come here. And
at Levanta, we enable our clients to become efficient, reliable, profitable and safe through the provision of turnkey workshop fit out and equipment.
No, look, we would recommend Levanta. They've been one of our best partners through this whole project, and they're very easy to deal with. They understand our business, and the best thing about when you plan a project like this is when you've got suppliers and partners that understand your business and your requirements. It makes it a whole lot easier, and Levanta does deliver on that, so I would recommend Levanta to anyone.